Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this tutorial, we want to create a parametric table, but what we have to control here is that all of the parts are inside two pipes for a line, which we can create. So if I change the location of this point, you can see that the shape is going to change. If I change the mirroring point, I'm going to talk about that. Some lines which are going to change the shape of the table, the thickness of the material, how many count sections we need, and the B factor, which is going to change the shape of the table. We're going to talk about the extension of the shape, which is going to extend the curves, the offset, which is going to control the widths, and also the number of sides that the shape has. For example, if I put this to 3, you can see that it's going to create those, and it's going to be completely inside it. So if I increase the offset, it's going to make it better. Then we can also change the extension of the pipes and radius, and then create the difference. So the difference is going to be created and put inside a sheet, and then we can create the seed to create different nesting for the final results. That's going to help you to create a parametric table with two holes that can be held with 2 rods, okay, inside them, and we can change the shape. Okay, let's get started from scratch and learn this step by step.